A journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. In November 2009, history was created as Swami Madhusudan Ji walked across West Bengal and Sikkim. 2.5 lakh people were swept away as waves of divine love and joy flowed across Sonar Banglar Mati. Under the banner of Anugrah Utsav, 29 Padyatras took place over a span of 30 days. The motive of the Padyatra being Clean City, Green City, Violence-free, Stress-free society, the only religion, spirituality, Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, one world family, and broadening the vision, deepening the roots. Gangtok was hit by the divine storm of love, and no less than 22,500 people were blown away pleasantly, enriching their lives forever.
Sri Ravi Shankar Ji from Art of Living International Center, Bangalore, was here at Gangtok for a 3-day-long Padyatra. Swamiji blessed thousands of people during the event, which was organized by Art of Living Sikkim chapter.
Swami Sri Madhusudan Ji from the Art of Living International Center, Bangalore, graced the capital with his divine presence from 7th to 9th of November. Swamiji's visit at Gangtok was a part of Padyatra or Peace Walk Anugrahotsav, which means divine blessing and healing. The Padyatra in Gangtok started on 8th November from Hotel Mayur, where more than 20,000 people were blessed by Swamiji. The yatra was taken to police headquarters, past Lal Market and back to hotel, where Swamiji gave a discourse and participants shared the magical experiences. Earlier, Swamiji also visited Rongek jail and blessed around 200 inmates and the jail officials with His Holiness. He also guided them with a powerful meditation where the inmates expressed of being healed in and out. It may be mentioned here that in July, 40 inmates had undergone a basic course of Art of Living. On 9th November, Swamiji at Kalyan Ashram in Ranapur blessed thousands of devotees during the Padyatra, where later Guru Puja was conducted at Gangtok at the devotees' place. According to one of the devotees, Swamiji has especially been sent by His Holiness Sri Ravi Shankar Ji to spread the message of love, peace, non-violence and a stress-free society. This 3-day-long event was organized by the Art of Living Sikkim chapter.
गोली खेलते समय थोड़ा लग भी गया था. अभी तो मेरा पैर पूरा इधर आने लगा है. अभी कल से ही काम शुरू कर दूंगा. सबसे पहले
ऐसे लगा कि गुरुजी ने मेरे सर पर हाथ रखा, तब मुझे लगा कि भगवान आके मेरा सर पर छू लिया. और ऐसा लगा कि मैं यहाँ नहीं हूँ, बाहर हूँ.
Thank you. We're from Australia, and it's a very great privilege for that just to happen to us. So we thank you very much for this beautiful country and the hospitality and the wonderful people, and an amazing moment for us. Thank you very much. Namaste.
Swamiji's Padyatra took him to the length and breadth of Kolkata and the surrounding areas. In accordance with the ancient Bengali tradition, Swamiji started the Padyatra with the darshan of Ma Kali at the famous Kalighat temple. Among the 12,000 people who received his blessings in this area were the Pandits who came forward with reverence and the fascinated foreigners who were awestruck. Even the saints couldn't resist. As the Padyatra crawled along the overcrowded and heavily trafficked areas of Damdam and Howrah, 19,500 people were blessed. Swamiji's innate gentleness and warmth kindled the fire of love and devotion in hordes of people. People of all religions came forward seeking his blessing. The noise of the blaring horns and the flashy signage lighting up the night was the backdrop of the next destination. The Padyatra was out on the streets. It seemed the flood of love and joy had broken all barriers. The aged, the crippled, the gamblers, the drunks, and people from the red light areas came together in a spirit of Sangha Chatvam. Let's move together.
For the last 3 days, I have had tremendous pain in my right ear. I have taken more than 8 painkillers. Just when Swamiji gave me blessings, the pain just vanished.
The slums of Hastings, Garcha, Anandpur and Maniktala witnessed a phenomenal number of healings as Swamiji moved through the lanes and bylanes of the slum.
मेरे सर के दाएं तरफ हमेशा दर्द रहता था. अभी स्वामी जी से मैं आशीर्वाद ग्रहण किया. यहाँ बहुत ही हल्का महसूस हो रहा है, बहुत ही रिलैक्स फील कर रहा हूँ। मैं इसी तरह चाहता हूँ कि दुनिया का हर एक मनुष्य स्वामी जी का ब्लेसिंग लेकर प्रसन्न हो, अपने जीवन का भरपूर आनंद उठाए। आशीर्वाद लिए আমি খুব আনন্দিত, একদম সাক্ষাৎ দেবতা দর্শন।
আমার ওনাকে দেখে অন্তরে আমার একটু ঈশ্বর ভক্তির প্রতি আমার আকাঙ্ক্ষা বেড়ে গেছে।
The hustle and bustle of the usual market day came to a standstill as people stopped and stared as the Padyatra moved through Raja Bazaar and Beliaghata markets.
পুরো সুস্থ হয়ে গেছি, একদম পুরো আমি বেঁকে ছিলাম, একদম হাঁটতে পারছিলাম, এখন পুরো হালকা তুলোর মতো লাগছে শরীরটা, আর খুব ভালো করে হাঁটতে পারছি।
From morning I had chest cramp, now I am feeling ekdam free. I have no chest cramps, no more. I am feeling very light.
The waves of devotion from the people in the village of Nadia crossed all boundaries as they felt the unconditional love.
বুকের মধ্যে ফেটে উঠতে মনে হচ্ছে ইনিই মনে আমার সেই গুরু, এরকমই মনে হয় আমার।
আমার কাছে খুব ভালো লেগেছে, মনের সঙ্গে মিশে গেছে।
Kalimpong shone with its traditional dresses and local flavors.
आर्ट अफ लिभिङ कालिम्पोङको तत्वावधानमा आज बजारमा एक र्यालीको आयोजना गरिएको थियो।
बेंगलोरबाट आएका स्वामीजी मधुसूदनको उपस्थितिमा आज निकालेको उक्त र्याली स्थानीय आरसी मिन्त्री रोडबाट शुरू गरिएको थियो।
हम खास तौर पे बैंगलोर से आए हैं, हिज होलिनेस श्री रविशंकर जी के आदेश पे आर्ट ऑफ लिविंग संस्था की ओर से, और ये पदयात्रा हमारा अनुग्रह उत्सव के तले, बैनर के तले हो रहा है। और पदयात्रा का मुख्य उद्देश्य है लोगों तक पहुंचना और धार्मिकता को सब तक फैलाना। धर्म का प्रचार नहीं कर रहे, धार्मिकता का प्रचार कर रहे हैं। और वी आर स्प्रेडिंग स्माइल्स, है ना, मुस्कुराहट फैलाना लोगों की तरफ। इतना तनाव में माहौल है पूरा सब जगह, तो लोगों तक पहुंचना। हम लोगों को इंतजार नहीं कर सकते, अभी समय है हमको उठकर खड़े होकर खुद लोगों तक पहुंचकर उन तक खुशी लेके आना है, मुस्कुराहट लेके आना है, उनको तनाव से मुक्त करना है। ये हमारा मेन उद्देश्य है।
The Padyatra in Siliguri got off on an amazing start with the sound of the traditional Bengali drums.
हमको दिल इतना खुश हो गया कि आप बता दें, मेरा आत्मा जुड़ा गया, मैं धन हो गई। और मैंने गुरुजी से जब मिला तो मुझे लगा जैसे मैं स्वर्ग में पहुंच गया। आज ये पहाड़ा एकदम स्वर्ग जैसा बन गया है।
आनंद से भाव विभोर हो गया, शब्द नहीं है।
इनका आशीर्वाद लेने से बॉडी को रिलैक्स फील महसूस हुई है। ये चेहरे पे काफी प्रकोप है, तेज है, जो कि आम इंसान में नहीं होती है।
The traditional Dhunuchi dancers welcomed Swamiji to Mainaguri, and the joyous celebration set the note of the Padyatra.
आजकल का जमाना में ऐसा लोग है, यही बहुत बड़ा मन को शांति मिला, ऐसा लगा कि भगवान का पैर छूट गया।
People of all ages and professions took blessings, right from old ladies to young monks, and from beggars to the military Sainiks. People stopped their cars in the midst of the busy roads and stuck their heads out to receive the blessing. Some even abandoned their vehicles and came running forward.
I never used to smile earlier, and I'm quite happy that I'm happy now.
Swamiji visited 3 schools in Kurseong and blessed 4,000 school children. Everyone was amazed to see the normally restless students calm down in Swamiji's presence.
ऐसी अनुभूति हुई जैसे कि ईश्वर का कुछ अंश जो है हमारे साथ चल रहा है।
No, the glow in his face was extremely, brilliant. It was something extraordinary.
Yeah, and it feels so good now that we are joining this kind of procession now. And that is devotion to our God. It feels very good and excellent.
The ripples created by the 29 Padyatras, touching 250,000 people's lives in just a month's time, culminated into a huge wave of hope and faith, leaving behind a fertile land. The seeds of Sangachatvam, moving together, have been sown to create a one-world family, Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam.